If you're struggling with low iron levels, then today's video is for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to up your iron intake and increase the absorption. Now, one of the most important roles of iron is to help our RBCs, red blood cells, to transport oxygen to all the parts of the body. It also plays a very important role in specific process within the cells that produce energy for the body. Now, it is for this reason that one of the first symptoms of low body iron stores is tiredness and fatigue. Quick facts about iron. Now, recommended dietary allowance is, it varies between ages. For kids, the requirement is same for both boys and girls. But as we age, the requirement increases for ladies or girls as compared to boys or men. Now, this is because of menstruation cycle, pregnancy and lactation. Now, one thing that we all have to remember is that, if you have low iron levels and if you're planning to start supplement, then do consult your doctor. It's very important to get your iron levels tested before starting any supplement. Because when it comes to iron, too much of it is not a good thing and too less is also not a good thing. So let's begin. Number 1, consume iron-rich food. Now, this is rather an obvious tip, but I had to mention this. We have to make sure that we consume iron on a daily basis rather than having just twice or thrice in a week. The question is, which food contains iron? Meat, seafood, lentils, beans, green leafy vegetables, whole grains, nuts and seeds. Another thing that we have to keep in mind is that there are two kinds of iron, heme iron and non-heme iron. Heme iron is obtained from animal source and non-heme iron is obtained from plant and animal both. Heme iron is better absorbed, whereas non-heme iron, it's a little hard to absorb. Which brings me to our second point. Now, there are few things that you can eat along with iron-rich food to increase the absorption. Now, vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron. It captures non-heme iron and stores it in a form that is easily available by the body to absorb it. For example, say almonds and oranges. Almonds contain iron and oranges contain vitamin C. Vitamin C in oranges, they help in the absorption of iron in almonds. Third, avoid tea and coffee with meals. I'm saying just with meals, not all the time. Tea and coffee contains tannins, caffeine and polyphenols, which inhibits the absorption of iron again. Say for example, when we have nuts early in the morning along with tea and coffee. Now again, tea and coffee contains caffeine, tannins and polyphenols, which inhibits the absorption of iron. Another example, I would say poha and cold coffee. Poha has iron and cold coffee, again, caffeine and plus calcium as well. Which brings me to the next point, wherein calcium also inhibits the absorption of iron. So avoid taking calcium supplements along with iron-rich food. And last, cooking with iron cookware can also add iron to the diet. Specifically, if you cook acidic food in high temperature. So yeah, this pretty much sums up. I hope all of these tips will help you.